Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video, I have an amazing product to show you all. This is the brand new GTR smartwatch from Amazfit. It's an awesome smartwatch that comes with some really cool features like it's got an AMOLED display, has super long battery life and much more, which we'll be talking in this video. This is actually the new 42mm variant guys. Previously the company already had the 47mm model and they've launched this new 42mm one recently. So let me give you an overview on the box packing. We've got the Amazfit branding at the top and on the bottom we've got all of its highlights. The watch comes with an AMOLED display, has continuous heart rate monitoring, it's water resistant up to 50 meters, has built-in GPS plus GLONASS, can track multiple sports, offers a long battery life and is super lightweight. So those are all the highlights. Going to the back, we've got some more details. Let me show you. The watch comes with a 195 mAh battery and supports Bluetooth V 5.0. Alright then, that was our complete overview on the box packing. Now let's get started with the unboxing. Let me tear this seal on the box. So on the inside we've got this plain white box with the Amazfit logo on the front. Let's open it and finally check out the product. So here it is, our brand new Amazfit GTR 42mm variant. The watch comes in 4 different colors. The one we have right now is the Starry black variant. Wow, the smartwatch looks beautiful from the front. Let me take it out. There you go, so along with the watch you get some accessories as well, which includes a user manual, make sure to read that for all the info on the product, and a magnetic pogo pin charging cable for charging the watch. That's it, these were all the items we got in the package. Now let's finally check out the smartwatch. So this is how the Amazfit GTR looks like. Wow, this thing looks really good. It feels like a premium quality smartwatch. I'm not sure about the other colors, but Starry black definitely looks nice from my first impressions. Let me give you all a closer look and talk about the design and the build quality. The GTR is a 42mm smartwatch with a full round display and the build quality looks top notch. As you can see, we've got a sticker over here. Let me just peel it off the display. And that's done. The Amazfit GTR 42mm has a 1.2-inch AMOLED touch display with 326 ppi. Talking about the design, it's got a beautiful design with a ceramic bezel and has chamfered edges all around the dial. If you can observe, the bezel also has minute markings all over it. And the special thing about the display is it's got Gorilla Glass 3 protection and comes with anti-fingerprint coating, while the rest of the body is made of metal. On the side of the watch we've got 2 buttons. The top one is a power button while the bottom one is the activity button. There's nothing on the left and this is how the bottom side looks like. We've got nothing much over here except some details regarding the smartwatch, and at the center we've got a heart rate monitor and 2 charging contacts at the sides. Talking about the straps on this watch are replaceable. The company provides a variety of straps in different materials, like you've got leather variants, silicone and much more. Just check out the company's website for that. And the quality of these straps is also nice. Feels soft, durable and also flexible. Well, that was our complete overview on the design and the build quality. Now let me just power it on, set it up, use it for a few days and then continue with the video. Alright guys, I'm back. I've completely set up the watch and been using it for quite some time. It's been actually like 10 to 15 days I've had the watch, and yeah, I've been using it for these many days, and in this video I'll share my complete experience with this Amazfit GTR and give my full review on the product. So first what I'll do is in this clip I'll completely show you all of its features and the built-in apps that you get with the watch. So let's get started. The first thing you'll notice is that this watch comes with a always on display. It's got AMOLED display, right? So it also comes with this always on feature. So as you can see right now it's in the always on display mode, and it's also customizable guys. You can either choose the analog watch face over here or digital one. You can choose any one based on your personal choice, and this is how it looks like. It looks pretty good, and yeah, it also doesn't consume that much of battery. So I've been using that continuously, and this is how the home screen on it looks like. It's got this default Amazfit watch face and looks very nice. We've got a lot of watch faces on it guys, which you can apply from the Amazfit app. I'll show you that at a later part in the video. Alright, so this is how the home screen looks like. So before I show you all of its features and all that, let me tell you about the display. This one is a 42mm Amazfit GTR variant guys. Previously they've launched the 47mm variant. So this 42mm variant comes with a 1.2-inch AMOLED display with a 326 ppi. The display looks very nice guys. It's an AMOLED display, right? So you've got nothing to complain. It's bright, sharp, the text is very clear, it's very easily readable and also has very good viewing angles. As you can see, the black levels are also very nice, all thanks to that AMOLED display. I'm very satisfied with the display on it. So talking about the buttons on it, over here you've got two buttons. The top one is a power/back button, guys. So if you're into any app or anything, you can just press this button to go back. And the bottom one is a function/activity button. Using this, you can directly jump into the sport activities. So let me show you. And yes, as I've told you, this is a power button. You can wake up the watch or put it to sleep. And this one is the activity button. So by pressing this, you can directly jump into the sports activity menu. So that was about the buttons. Let me give you all of the overview on the UI and all of its features. So by swiping down from the top, you'll get this quick toggles page. Over here you can check out the battery life, the Bluetooth status connectivity, date and time, and over here you got some quick setting toggles which include a flashlight mode. So by pressing this, the display functions as a flashlight. So that is one quick toggle, and beside that you've got the brightness button. Yes, this watch also has auto brightness feature, guys, so you can put it to auto brightness or set the brightness manually from over here. Very handy feature, directly accessible from the status panel. This one is do not disturb mode. There's also a special power saving feature mode and the lock mode. So that's it. These were all some quick shortcuts available on it. And by swiping from down, you'll get all the app list, guys. We'll check them out in a moment. So by swiping from right to left, you get this fitness related info tab where it shows you the number of steps taken, distance traveled, and the calories burnt on that particular day. Like it only shows for the current day. And yes, it will automatically get synced with the app. So that was about the fitness related info. And by swiping from the left, you can directly access the heart rate monitor. So as soon as you just open it, the heart rate monitor starts working. We'll talk about the heart rate monitor at a later part in the video. And yes, now let's check out the app drawer, guys. So you can easily access that by swiping top from the bottom. And first on the list, we've got the status where it shows you all the fitness related info I've shown you just now, right? The number of steps taken, distance traveled, calories burnt, and all that. It gives you a summary of all the fitness related info on today's particular date. And along with that, we've got the heart rate monitoring app. You can access it from here as well. And this is a workout session, guys, which is nothing but the activity and the sports tracking page. You've got a lot of sports over here, like you've got outdoor running, walking, and cycling, treadmill, indoor cycling, swimming. Yes, I haven't mentioned, right? This watch is 5 atmospheres water resistant. That means it's water resistant up to 50 meters, guys. So even if you go out for swimming with the watch on, nothing's going to happen to it. So yeah, those were some of it, and we've got even more sports, like there's an exercise tab where you can track your exercise activity. And yeah, there's skiing, climbing, football, all these sort of sports activities as well. That was about the workout app. And this is the activity history app, guys, where it shows you what kind of activities you've done in the past. It just keeps a record of all of them. Over here we've got the weather, where it shows you the complete weather for the upcoming week as well. So that's about the weather app. There's a built-in music player. Now you can't store any music on this watch, but this one is used to remotely control the music present on your phone. So yeah, you can use this smartwatch to remotely control the music on your smartphone. That was about the music app. And we've got the notifications page over here, notifications app, where it shows you all the notifications, SMSs, call reminders, and all that, whatever you've received on your phone. For that, you need to connect this smartwatch to your phone via Bluetooth. You have to keep that connected. And there's also an alarm app where you can set alarms. And alarms, after alarms, what do we have? There's an event reminder. And in the more section, we've got some lot of useful tools like compass. The compass works very well. For this, you need to calibrate at the beginning of using the app. I've already calibrated. It also shows you the air pressure. And what's this? This is the altitude. So yeah, we've got some useful apps over here. Along with that, there's also a timer function, a countdown function, and Find Mobile. These are the settings. In the settings, what do we have? We can change the watch face from over here. You can store up to 2 to 3 watch faces downloaded from the smartphone app. And they keep getting updated as and how you apply new watch faces from the app. Okay, what else? From over here you can adjust the screen on duration. The max is 15 seconds. There's a quick startup guide, always on display. As I've told you, you can either set the pointer analog style dial or the digital style. And finally we've got the system settings where you can check out the about smartwatch section. There's reboot function, shutdown function and factory reset. That's it guys, that was our complete overview on all the present built-in apps on it, features and the complete settings of the smartwatch. As you can see, the display looks very nice, the black levels are very good. I really like this display. Alright then, that was a complete look at the features and all that. Now let me talk about the heart rate monitor. The heart rate monitor can be easily accessed either from the app drawer or by simply swiping from the left, and as soon as you do that, it automatically starts measuring your heart rate. You can set the heart rate to manual mode or even continuous measuring mode from the app. The choice is up to you, but the continuous mode will definitely consume more battery. The heart rate monitor was working well and was giving accurate results almost 90% of the time. Now let me show you the app that you need to install on your phone to access the remaining features of this smartwatch. The name of the app that you need to install is called Amazfit, and this is how it looks like. This is a home screen where it shows you a lot of fitness related info like the number of steps taken, calories burned, distance traveled, and also a summary of all your outdoor sport activities. Over here you can add all your favorite sport activities which you regularly do and quickly get started with the activity. So that was all about sports and fitness. Now let me show you some extra features of the watch. You can access them from here. You've got a whole lot of features and options. This is the watch face store. You can choose and apply from a variety of watch faces. You've got analog style, digital style, and the list also frequently keeps getting updated. Applying them is also super simple. You just need to select the watch face and click on the sync button. That's it. It'll take about like 30 to 40 seconds to download and automatically install the watch face on your watch. There you go, this is how our new watch face looks like. Along with that, we've got even more features like call notifications, app alerts, SMS, and even alarms. Going back, the app also has more options like you've got Find My Watch feature, heart rate settings, raise to wake display, vibration settings, and finally firmware updates. It's a good app guys, it's got clean interface, it's very simple to use and gets the job done. Now let me show you how you receive incoming call notifications. So whenever you get a call on your phone, the watch will start vibrating and shows the name of the person. You can't answer the call, you can only reject or mute it. That's because there's no microphone or speaker on the watch. And this is how you receive message notifications. It shows you the content of the message as well as the name of the sender, but there's no option to reply from the watch. Coming to the battery, the Amazfit GTR has a built-in 195mAh battery, and the battery life was very good considering that this thing has an AMOLED display. On an average, when you use the watch with Bluetooth on, continuous heart rate mode on, display brightness set to maximum, and light sport activities in a week with GPS, then you'll get around like 10 to 12 days of battery life. But if you turn off all those features and use it just as a simple watch and measure heart rate at times, then you'll easily get around like 25 to 30 days of battery life. That is awesome, right? Well, that was my review on the Amazfit GTR 42mm smartwatch. This is one of my favorite smartwatch in the recent times. It's got a premium looking design, love the build quality, has a gorgeous AMOLED display, it's 50 meters waterproof and offers great battery life. The only thing I felt the company could have added was there's no microphone and speaker on this smartwatch. It would be very nice if the company could add a calling feature at least in their next model. And also maybe an app store to download more apps on the smartwatch would be great. The GTR 42mm variant costs about 9,999 rupees. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it for today. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.